Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be making experimenting making some slime. So we're going to be making water slime, and you guys can follow along with the recipe. So we have borax, clear glue, and some water, and some food coloring. So, first, what we're going to do is take half a cup of water, and put it in the bigger bowl. Then, we're going to need half a cup of glue. Okay. Next, we're going to add the food coloring. You only want to add a few drops, so I'm going to add 3. The next step is in a separate bowl. We're going to take 1/4 of a teaspoon of borax. Then take half a cup of warm water. Mix that all together. And then, once that's all mixed, you're going to put it in here. And then you're going to mix this together. And you can already see the slime forming. Now you have some nice water slime. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my other videos. Bye!